Day-to-day life in the city can be the cause of unwanted anxiety. Traffic, work, bills, the COVID pandemic, and other factors of distress can really build up. Sometimes you cope with escapism, spending countless hours switching from Twitter to Facebook to Discord to Twitter again to YouTube, looking for something that will distract you. Sometimes you just need a mental reset. It's no lie that being exposed to nature can have healing properties. Is it magic? Probably not. But something about being surrounded by wilderness can really help out with that dopamine level. Friends Kat, Ron, Leila, and I are in need of that dose of the great outdoors. One prescription of weekend cabin in the woods, please. Will you miss me? Will you miss me? Huh? These are the things I'm bringing. Backpack with sketchbook, clothes. Got my sneakers for hiking, hoodie. I think I'm ready. I think I got it. We made it! Ah! Cabin trip 2021. 2021. Woo!
You're cute.
Little snail.
Good snail.
You want to be in a movie, snail?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna make you a star, kid.
You're gonna be famous. Nature. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Leila, are you excited?
I'm so excited to see where this trail leads.
Building a mystery. We are staying for the weekend in a rental at the foot of Mount Hood. Only an hour and a half drive from the city of Portland, Oregon. It's an easy escape to nature. Don't touch the plants.
Fuck plants.
Fuck plants.
Yeah, let's identify some plants.
Queen Anne's lace. I think that might be hawthorn. Oh, did you wash your hands? There's something else floral I'm smelling.
It's my hands.
Okay.
It's the hand soap.
I couldn't identify poison ivy if I saw it.
I'm just gonna film everything.
The Pacific Northwest is the perfect place to fall in love. The perfect place to escape to from the bustling city. Due to its temperate rainforest climate, the green flora is limitless from the stoic tall pines to the many crystal clear rivers flowing down from the ice melt of Mount Hood.
Inspector No Webus.
Emmy bravely clearing the trail for us from cobwebs.
You named a robot yet?
Oh, you're right. I haven't. What is this robot be called?
Oh.
Gardetto.
Oh, Andy, everyone.
I'm gonna name it
Gardetto?
Gardetto.
Oh, Gardetto.
Because of Gardettos. Alright, let's see the river.
Ooh,
Oh, shit. Let's show them.
Shit. Two pair!
Two pair jacks.
Ah!
Pair.
No!
Queen
Wait,
nine.
no!
Today, we are planning on doing 2 short hikes, Little Zigzag Falls and Still Creek. Both hikes not too far from where we're staying. We're going to our hiking spot and gonna hike and have some fun. Here we go, she's driving such a good drive. Oh, cat. We were lucky that the weather had cooled for a bit for this weekend. The sun dodged and weaved through the passing clouds over the course of the day. It was the perfect weather for hiking.
It's so cute.
I cannot believe this.
Their little feet.
How do you like it so far?
It's gorgeous out here.
It's great.
It's so funny how quickly I can feel my nerves settle and my happiness swell simply from being under the green canopy. I can't really describe it. It's like my soul has had all of this grime on it from the stresses of life and city living, and just being here washes it all away. I feel like I can think clearly, like I'm whole, and I'm at peace. And it's honestly the best I've felt in a while. We packed sandwiches for lunch. Mine was a little soggy from the tomato. That's fine, I guess. Leila made do by adding chippies to hers. Well done, Leila. Nature and friends go hand in hand. You can be yourself while letting in all the magic of nature into your heart. And I said this several times on this trip, and I meant it. My heart is full. I love to dwell in forest wild, where giant pine trees pierce the sky, a beauty spot where nature smiles, a fitting place to live and die. After a full day of hiking, we were all pretty tired. It was time to head back, eat dinner, and enjoy our last night in the cabin.
Beer drinking slobs. No. Speaking of, we should listen to country later.
Thank you, Leila.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Leila.
Yeah, so thanks
The cabin trip was a success. I'm pretty sad it's already over. 2 nights are not enough. But within those 2 nights, all of our hearts grew 10 times. Like 10 times bigger, not like 10 times over. Our hearts are really big now. And that's super special. Don't look intentional.
Just walk fast.
Fast? I don't walk fast.
Are you walking through?
All right.
Oh.
I'm so sad when that thing gets in the way.